Welcome to our channel Storm Rider, the USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 destroyer, now entering its next phase in 2026, represents one of the most advanced and futuristic warships ever built by the United States Navy. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a traditional destroyer. Its sleek, angular, and stealthy design resembles something out of a science fiction movie. Yet beneath its smooth exterior lies an immense amount of cutting-edge technology, precision engineering, and naval power that's reshaping modern warfare at sea. The Zumwalt-class destroyers were originally envisioned to serve as multi-mission stealth ships capable of dominating both land and sea battles. With the 2026 upgrade, the USS Zumwalt has evolved into a next-generation combat platform designed to project power, enhance fleet defense, and integrate seamlessly into future naval networks. One of the most striking aspects of the Zumwalt's design is its radar cross-section, or rather, the lack of one. The ship's tumblehome hull design slopes inward rather than outward, reducing its radar signature dramatically. To an enemy radar system, this 6-10-foot-long destroyer appears no larger than a small fishing boat. Every external element, from antennas to weapon mounts, has been carefully integrated to minimize detection. The hull is made from composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings, helping it blend almost invisibly into the surrounding ocean. This stealth capability is vital in modern naval warfare, where detection often determines survival. Powering. The Zumwalt is an all-electric propulsion system, a revolutionary concept in naval engineering. Instead of traditional mechanical drive shafts, the ship uses an integrated power system, IPS, that generates around 78 megawatts of electricity. To put that in perspective, that's enough power to light up a small city. The IPS not only drives the ship's massive twin electric motors but also powers its sensors, weapons, and onboard systems with remarkable efficiency. This design makes the Zumwalt extremely flexible, as it can redirect power where it's needed most, whether that's propulsion for high-speed maneuvering or energy for advanced weapons like lasers or electromagnetic railguns. Speaking of weapons, the Zumwalt's armament suite has been evolving to meet 21st-century combat needs. Originally designed with two 150mm advanced gun systems, AGS, for long-range land attacks, the Navy has since shifted the ship's focus toward hypersonic missile capability. In 2026, the Zumwalt has been refitted to carry the conventional prompt strike CPS hypersonic missiles, capable of reaching speeds above Mach 5 and striking targets thousands of miles away with pinpoint accuracy. These weapons dramatically increase the ship's strategic value, giving the U.S. Navy a platform capable of fast, precise, and nearly unstoppable attacks anywhere on the globe. In addition to hypersonic weapons, the Zumwalt is equipped with a vertical launch system, VLS cells that can fire a wide range of missiles, including Tomahawk cruise missiles, SM-6 surface-to-air missiles, and anti-submarine rockets. The ship's defensive systems are equally impressive. Zumwalt integrates the Aegis Combat System's latest generation software with the SPY-3 multifunction radar, offering exceptional situational awareness and tracking capabilities. This radar can detect and track multiple air and surface threats simultaneously, even in heavy electronic interference. The ship's stealth design complements this technology perfectly, allowing it to detect threats without easily being detected in return. Onboard automation plays a huge role as well. The Zumwalt operates with a crew of only about 140 sailors, nearly half the size of a traditional destroyer's crew. Advanced automation handles everything from damage control to power management, freeing the crew to focus on tactical operations. Internally, the Zumwalt feels less like a typical warship and more like a floating tech laboratory. The ship's bridge and control centers are designed around network-centric warfare concepts, where data from drones, satellites, and other ships feed into a unified combat information system. Touchscreen controls, augmented reality displays, and advanced decision assist software make it possible for commanders to analyze real-time data and respond to threats faster than ever before. Living conditions for the crew are also significantly improved compared to older destroyers. Cabins are more spacious, noise levels are lower due to electric propulsion, and automation reduces the fatigue that often comes with long deployments. One of the Zumwalt's unique selling points is its modular design, which allows it to be adapted for new technologies over time. The Navy has already tested integrating directed energy weapons, specifically high-energy lasers, for point defense against drones and incoming missiles. With its massive electrical power output, the Zumwalt is ideally suited for these kinds of systems. It can easily support power-hungry weapons that older destroyers could never handle. The possibility of installing electromagnetic railguns remains under study as well, though the focus for now is on hypersonic and laser-based systems. In terms of performance, the Zumwalt is no slouch. Despite its massive size and displacement of over 15,000 tons, the ship can reach speeds of around 30 knots, about 35 miles per hour. Its electric drive system allows for smoother acceleration, lower vibration, and greater fuel efficiency than traditional gas turbine destroyers. The ship's stability in rough seas is enhanced by its wave-piercing hull, which cuts through high waves rather than riding over them, making operations in extreme conditions safer and more stable. Combined with advanced navigation and sonar systems, the Zumwalt can operate effectively in both open oceans and littoral, coastal environments. But the Zumwalt's story is not without challenges. The program faced significant cost overruns and technical hurdles during its development. Each ship in the class costs around $4 billion, making it one of the most expensive surface combatants ever built. Originally, the Navy planned to build 32 Zumwalt-class destroyers, but due to cost concerns and shifting priorities, the number was reduced to just 3. However, with the 2026 modernization, the Navy aims to prove that the Zumwalt class is more than just an experimental concept. It's a powerful and flexible platform that can serve as a test bed for the Navy's future fleet technologies. Another point worth noting is how the Zumwalt fits into the broader strategic picture. Modern naval warfare is increasingly about information dominance, precision engagement, and multi-domain integration. The Zumwalt embodies all these principles. Its stealth and sensor systems make it a valuable intelligence-gathering asset. Its missile loadout gives it offensive reach across land, air, and sea. And its ability to plug into joint force operations means it can coordinate with submarines, aircraft, and even space-based assets. Essentially, the Zumwalt acts as both a sword and a shield within the U.S. Navy's modern battle network. As of 2026, the USS Zumwalt is undergoing trials and exercises to fully integrate its hypersonic weapon systems, test new radar configurations, and validate its upgraded combat software. These advancements are expected to redefine how surface ships operate in contested environments. The goal is to create a destroyer that can not only survive, but dominate in a high-tech, multi-threat battle space. Whether it's tracking enemy submarines, defending carrier groups, or launching precision strikes from thousands of miles away, the Zumwalt stands ready as a symbol of technological mastery and naval innovation. In simple terms, the USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 is more than just a warship. It's a vision of the future. It combines stealth, power, automation, and versatility into a single floating powerhouse. While it faced a tough start with costs and development issues, its 2026 configuration shows that the investment is beginning to pay off. The Zumwalt is a ship that doesn't just sail the seas, it shapes the future of them. For viewers, it's worth remembering that this isn't just another piece of military hardware. It's a glimpse into what the next generation of naval warfare will look like, where power meets precision, and technology defines supremacy. Though